This award-winning architect-designed West Side townhouse has an open design and provides plenty of space for entertaining. Step inside to the spacious great room with a cathedral ceiling and separate dining and living areas. A wall of windows brightens the interior and creates a unique setting for relaxing with family and friends. The modern kitchen enjoys every amenity you could need, including a breakfast bar and custom cabinetry. Completing this level is a convenient full bath and a loft space that makes a generous bedroom or home office overlooking the entire floor plan. Step through the glass door to the private flagstone patio surrounded by mature gardens. The walkout lower level holds a spacious master suite and a walk-in closet and a private bath with a glass door shower. This dynamite condo is located steps from Dexter Park, a quiet setting perfect for neighborhood gatherings, and is home to a fantastic farmers market. The west side is filled with diverse dining options like Oakie's Trailer Park, Pizza J, and Broadway Bistro. Minutes away is downtown Providence, where you can shop at the Providence Place Mall or catch a performance at the many renowned theaters. The downtown commuter rail, along with easy-on highway access, makes traveling a breeze. For more information, please visit the property website or call Jim DeRentis at area code 401-529-2188.